Load It. The Load It rear boat loader is a game changer for anyone who loves boating but struggles with the hassle of loading a boat into their vehicle. This system allows you to load your boat directly from the back, easily mounting it onto the roof of your vehicle. Compatible with various SUVs, trucks, and some car models, it's an ideal solution for adventurers who tow trailers or campers but still want to bring a boat along. Many models come with an electric winch, allowing you to operate it remotely, so you can load and unload your boat solo with minimal effort. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach or need an option that doesn't rely on power, there is also a manual winch version available. Built from corrosion-resistant materials like powdered coated steel and aluminum, the rear boat loader is rugged enough to handle tough weather conditions and is designed for long-term use, even in saltwater environments. This means your boat loader will stand up to the elements, providing reliability trip after trip. It's especially useful for larger boats, supporting up to 150 kg, and is designed to save you time, energy, and potential damage to your vehicle or boat. Plus, safety straps and locking mechanisms ensure your boat stays secure during transit, so you can drive with peace of mind. When not in use, the loader folds up compactly, making it easy to store. SmartTruck UnderTray System. The SmartTruck UnderTray system is an innovative aerodynamic solution designed specifically for Class 8 commercial trucks, aiming to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce wind drag. By optimizing airflow underneath the truck, this unique system can achieve fuel savings of up to 10% or more, significantly lowering operational costs for fleet owners. Constructed from lightweight yet durable materials, the UnderTray is engineered to withstand road conditions while being easy to install, typically without extensive modifications to the truck. Its compatibility with various models and low maintenance requirements make it a versatile and practical choice for improving vehicle stability and performance. Users have reported positive feedback, noting noticeable improvements in mileage and a reduced environmental impact through lower greenhouse gas emissions. Overall, the SmartTruck UnderTray system is a valuable investment for those looking to boost their fleet's efficiency and sustainability. Tandem Centaur. The Tandem Centaur is a groundbreaking attachable hybrid system for semi-trucks, developed by Revoy, that transforms traditional diesel trucks into hybrids with minimal modifications. By using a trailer equipped with a pre-charged battery, this innovative technology allows for a quick 5-minute attachment at designated swapping stations. Once connected, it significantly enhances fuel efficiency, boosting miles per gallon from 6 to 8 to as much as 20 to 35 and reducing emissions by 70 to 80. This not only helps trucking companies save around $25,000 annually per truck on fuel costs, but also integrates seamlessly into existing operations, making it easier for fleets to adopt hybrid technology. With plans to expand swapping stations across several states, the Tandem Centaur aims to promote a more sustainable future for the freight industry while maintaining operational efficiency. BladeMate. The BladeMate is a specialized tool designed to enhance the efficiency, safety, and effectiveness of handling large or heavy blades, commonly used in industries such as manufacturing, automotive, and construction. Built with durable, high-grade materials, the BladeMate offers superior resistance to wear and tear, which increases its lifespan and reduces the need for frequent replacements. It is ergonomically designed to minimize strain and maximize control, providing a stable grip for precision and safety during blade handling tasks. The tool's unique locking mechanism securely fastens blades, preventing accidental slips and enhancing user safety. Furthermore, the XL BladeMate is compatible with a wide range of blade sizes, making it a versatile addition to any professional's toolkit. Its design includes anti-corrosive properties, which ensure reliability even in harsh environments. The XL BladeMate is an indispensable asset for those who prioritize safety, efficiency, and durability in blade management tasks. Zabudowa OpenBox C+. The Libar Openbox C Plus is a game-changing modular transport solution designed for logistics companies that need flexibility and efficiency. Built with a lightweight yet durable frame of aluminum and reinforced steel, the OpenBox C Plus is weather-resistant and designed for high-volume cargo, maximizing durability while improving fuel efficiency. This system is fully modular, allowing for quick configuration changes to suit different types of loads, which speeds up loading and unloading processes. With customizable compartments, companies can transport multiple types of goods at once and even add their own branding to the vehicle's exterior. The OpenBox C Plus is compatible with various truck chassis, making it an adaptable option for diverse fleet operations. For safety and ease, it includes anti-slip surfaces, ergonomic handles, and secure locking mechanisms. Libar has designed this model with sustainability in mind, using eco-friendly materials and creating a lightweight structure that helps reduce fuel consumption. With accessible maintenance points to minimize downtime, the OpenBox C Plus is a powerful choice for companies aiming for versatile, efficient, and environmentally friendly logistics solutions. Toll Mk5 Autonomous Power Unit. The Toll Mk5 Autonomous Power Unit is an innovative solution designed to enhance productivity in mining operations, particularly for road train applications. This unit is engineered to operate autonomously, significantly increasing efficiency by reducing the need for human intervention in transportation tasks. The Mk5 utilizes advanced technology to navigate and operate independently within mining sites, optimizing the logistics of material transport. It was developed by Smith Global, highlighting a collaboration that emphasizes robust engineering tailored to the challenging environments of mining. The Mk5 aims to streamline processes, potentially leading to substantial reductions in operating costs and improvements in safety by minimizing the risk associated with human-operated vehicles. TruckGlide. TruckGlide, the cutting-edge sliding deck solution from TruckVault that revolutionizes cargo management in pickup trucks. Engineered with a remarkable 1,500-pound weight capacity, TruckGlide ensures that heavy equipment and gear are easily accessible with its full deck extension feature, eliminating the need to climb into your truck bed. Its low-profile design, standing at just 5 1/16 inches from frame to deck, maximizes bed space while maintaining rugged durability, thanks to construction with high-quality American steel. The TruckGlide also includes 10 D-ring tie-down points for secure cargo transportation and comes in a variety of widths and lengths to fit most truck beds seamlessly. Whether you're utilizing it for work or recreation, TruckGlide is designed to integrate effortlessly with existing TruckVault storage systems, enhancing both utility and efficiency. Plus, it offers a limited lifetime warranty, highlighting the manufacturer's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Stoneridge SideEye. The Stoneridge SideEye, an innovative safety system designed to enhance visibility for large vehicles like trucks and buses by addressing dangerous blind spots. This advanced system combines high-definition camera technology with radar detection to alert drivers about the presence of cyclists, pedestrians, and other road users, significantly reducing the risk of accidents. It features a lane change assistant that detects only moving threats while ignoring stationary objects, thus minimizing false alarms. SideEye is built to withstand various weather conditions and can be integrated into existing vehicle monitoring systems, meeting stringent safety regulations, including those set by the German Federal Motor Transport Authority and London's Direct Vision Standard. The Stoneridge SideEye is a crucial tool for improving road safety in urban environments. DAF Digital Vision System. The DAF Digital Vision System, or DDVS, is a groundbreaking feature in the new generation DAF trucks, including the XF, XG, and XG Plus models. This innovative system replaces conventional mirrors with high-resolution cameras mounted on the cab, significantly enhancing visibility in all weather conditions. The DDVS offers ergonomic monitors inside the cab, ensuring drivers can maintain their focus on the road while benefiting from features like auto-panning and extra-wide viewing angle, which aid in maneuvering and overtaking. This advancement reduces blind spots, improving safety for both drivers and vulnerable road users. Integrated with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, the DDVS exemplifies DAF's commitment to leading the industry in safety and innovation. Liquid Xliner. The Liquid Xliner, an advanced solution designed for off-road and agricultural applications, specifically engineered for the efficient management of liquid manure and similar materials. This innovative equipment is built for versatility, enabling it to navigate uneven terrains with remarkable ease, making it essential for farmers who need to transport and apply liquids across their fields. The Liquid Xliner has undergone rigorous testing, including comprehensive evaluations by TÜV SÜD, ensuring it meets high safety and reliability standards even in demanding conditions. Users consistently report its exceptional performance, highlighting its durability, ease of operation, and effectiveness in real-world agricultural applications. Whether you're handling waste management or transporting various liquids, the Liquid Xliner stands out as a crucial tool in modern farming practices. Its robust design not only enhances operational efficiency, but also supports sustainable agricultural practices by facilitating effective liquid application. Inwall truck Slideouts. Inwall truck Slideouts are innovative compartments built into the walls of a truck, designed to optimize space in various applications, particularly in recreational vehicles or RVs and commercial trucks. These Slideouts operate using mechanical systems, which can be manual, electric, or hydraulic, allowing sections of the wall to extend outward and create additional living or storage space. This versatility is invaluable for RVs, providing areas for sleeping, dining, or equipment storage without permanently altering the vehicle's dimensions. While they enhance usability, it's essential to consider factors like weight, sealing, and maintenance, as these can impact the vehicle's performance and comfort. Installation is often best handled by professionals to ensure proper integration, and several manufacturers, such as Lippert Components and Schwintech, offer custom options tailored to specific needs. Overall, in-wall Slideouts are a practical solution for maximizing space and enhancing the functionality of trucks and RVs.